If Klint was a drink, what would it be and why?
A cocktail with a lot of different things mixed up and fresh.
What was the name of the cocktail that has like 5 different alcohols in it?
Sangria, but then I will add a bit of a blue curacao in the mix to make it blue, so it's more like a clean color.
Long Island iced tea, that's the one, Long Island iced tea. Like there's vodka, there's gin, there's tequila and whatnot.
Anyone knows about Blue Bomb? It's a very strong drink. It has the same energy of the people.
Probably beer. Definitely beer.
An old-fashioned because it's dark, stormy and sweet.
A tequila. It hits you hard at first with the projects, but then once you get it all settled, you're very happy.
It could maybe be an espresso martini, and I love an espresso martini. And I like it here. So, espresso martini.